Just want y'all to see the enormous size of this property, man. It's huge. It's real huge. It leads right out to the railroad tracks in the back. A couple of different garages and buildings and whatnot. Muscadine vines. Got a vineyard out here, so to speak. Sneak up on my PRO. He out here putting in work. Work it out. Get it done. Got work to be done out here, man, but this is what it's about. It's about paying it forward and giving it back, man. And when I say your community, I don't mean the community that you're standing in at that particular moment per se. One community is all communities. I mean, that's my personal opinion. That's how I look at it. Yeah, this property is enormous. This ain't your average backyard indicator, you know what I mean? But we getting to the task of getting it all cleaned up. I gotta get back to work, so I'm gonna touch bases with y'all a little bit later. Probably with a finished product. Yeah, man, it's just me and him out here today. Everybody else working on other stuff. We spread out thin like the last spoonful of mayonnaise in the jar.